Dear cycling family, look at that! We've got some tags here, we've got some more tags, we've got all the zippers, the waterproof zippers, and we've got all the fabrics. Yes, that's right, that's your jacket. Today is the happiest day since months. We're gonna bring all that to the factory with bikes. Yes, you heard well, with bikes. We always try to do things the best way possible. This is true for the products and how we produce them. So we try to use our bikes as much as possible. These cargo bikes are incredible. Our friends from Encargo make them here in Colombia. So let's go!
Walk into my Escalade, tell them boys I'm not afraid. Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
What happens next?
We are starting 2 months of production. So first we're gonna start with the black jacket and then the blue and the yellow one. So we're very excited about what's coming for the next 2 months.